In the previous video in the playlist link below the like button with other C++ videos, we talked about arrays of structures. Now we're going to talk about nested structures. We've talked about how we can have arrays inside of structures, as well as have an array with a bunch of structures inside of it. So what about structures inside of structures? Well, if you go inside of a structure that's already created, you can have another structure. Let's say we want a structure of a person, and then inside of here you're going to have age, type for personality, hobby, and these are just some attributes of our structure person. Let's make sure everything is spelled correctly, and then we should remove all of those errors. Now that this exists, make sure you have a semicolon at the end to end it. We can put this structure inside of our other structure. So let's say that we want this person inside of this department. Well, all you have to do, it's pretty simple, is just do a person, and I've obviously spelled person wrong up here, let's correct this, but person, and then you're going to have a name for it. So let's say person above 20. So this is like people that are above 20 that work inside of here. This is going to be an instance of this every time you have a structure of department. Now, how do we get access to this person? Well, to do this, we'll get rid of any distractions here. So if you want to make an initialization, all you need to do is the kind of parent one. This, you can say, is the parent to this structure, because this structure is only a child of this structure. So inside of here, let's do a cout to prepare for our initialization. We're going to initialize the department. We'll call it law, and that's pretty much it, just department law. Now, to get these in here and start setting them, all you need to do is a law dot, and then we can have a above, and you can see Replit starts to fill out already. Above 20.age is equal to 20, and then you're going to also have law.above20.type is equal to lawyer. So you can see that you can fill these out. Once you've filled out what you want to fill out, you can cout, and then all you need to do is basically the same thing, and that's going to get the data inside of there. Cout law.above20.age, and then cout above20.type. And this is going to print out 20 in lawyer because we've put them in here. So if you have any questions about structures inside of structures, and of course you could have even more structures inside of here, it gets pretty nested pretty fast. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want more structures, pointers, or C++ videos, check out that playlist link below the like button.